Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So we go back to YouTube again. So we are going to cover different ways how to say thank you. غادي نشوفوا بعض الطرق كيفاش نقولوا thank you instead of saying thank you we can use different expressions. Okay, عوض ما نبقاو نقولوا مثلا thank you there are a lot of expressions كاين بزاف ديال العبارات we can use them يمكن لنا نستعملهم so as to say thank you. So let's cover together all these expressions. Good. So we have here, we can say I'm so grateful. So I'm so grateful, right? So we can say I'm so grateful, right? When you say them, for example, when someone did something to you, okay, فاش كيدير معك شي حاجة مزيانة, you can say I'm so grateful, right? Good. Or we can say I appreciate it, right? Good. Or we can say also thanks for your hard work on this. Thanks for your hard work on this. Or we can say much obliged. So here we have 4 ways to say thank you. We can say I'm so grateful, or we can say I appreciate it. Okay, نقدروا نقولوا مثلا I appreciate it, or we can say thanks for your hard work on this, right? Or we have here much obliged. Good. Here we cover 4 ways. Another way to say thank you is here we can say that's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Right. We have also thank you for taking the time to do this. Thank you for taking the time to do this. Thank you for taking the time to do this. Right. And we have much appreciated. Much appreciated. We have that's so kind of you. نقدروا نقولوا that's so kind of you ولا نقولوا thank you for taking the time to do this. And the last one we have much appreciated. So we have also we can use another expressions نقدروا نستعملوا بعض العبارات وحين اخرين. For example here, thanks for having my back. Thanks for having my back. Thanks for having my back. Good. We have another one. Please accept my deepest gratitude. Please accept my deepest gratitude. Please accept my deepest gratitude. Right. And the last one here. This has been such a blessing. This has been such a blessing. Right? We have thanks for having my back. We can say thanks for having my back. Or we can say please accept my deepest gratitude. And we have this has been such a blessing. Right? As you see, we have different ways to say thank you. يعني عندنا بزاف ديال العبارات نقدروا نقولوهم. Instead of saying thank you, we can say thanks for having my back. We can say please accept my deepest gratitude. Or we can say that has been such a blessing. Perfect. Another ways to say thank you we have here. Okay, we have many thanks. We can say many thanks. Or we can say I'm blown away by your kindness. Okay, I'm blown away by your kindness, right? Or we can say I'm beyond grateful. We have many thanks. I'm blown away by your kindness. And we have kindness. I'm blown away by your kindness. And we have I'm beyond grateful. Good. So we have another thing else. So we can use I couldn't have done it without you. I couldn't have done it without you. I couldn't have done it without you. Or we have I want to acknowledge how much you have done. I want to acknowledge how much you have done. I want to acknowledge how much you have done. And another one, we have I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. Right? So different ways to say thank you. So we are going to repeat some expressions. We have that's kind of you. We can say that's kind of you. We can say also thank you for taking the time to do this, or much appreciated. Good. Also, we have please accept my deepest gratitude, or we have thanks for having my back. We can use thanks for having my back, or we have this has been such a blessing. This has been such a blessing. اوكي يعني عوض ما نقولوا thank you نقدر نقولوا this has been such a blessing, ولا نقولوا thanks for having my back, ولا نقدر نقولوا please accept my deepest gratitude. Right. So also we can use I'm blown away by your kindness, or many thanks, I'm sorry, and I'm being grateful. Right. We have also I couldn't have done it without you. Okay, يعني بغيت تشكر شي واحد تقول ليه I couldn't have done it without you. Or we can say I want to acknowledge how much you have done, and we have I can thank you enough. Good. Thank you for listening. Thank you for everything. So I will use these expressions for you. Much obliged. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share the video, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, okay, and my Instagram. Okay, if you put the Instagram features mail, you are going to find my Instagram and my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. Thank you. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much, and wait for another video.